Hello and welcome to Foodie Zest. Today we are going to make a mashed tapioca recipe known as Kappa puzhukku. It's an easy version. The ingredients required are 1 kg tapioca, 1 small sized onion, 10 to 15 green chillies, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup grated coconut, and 4 to 5 red chillies. Then we need some salt and oil. Now I have cut the tapioca into small pieces and I have washed them thoroughly. Now let's add them into a pressure cooker. Add turmeric powder, add enough water and salt. Mix them well and pressure cook them. Now I have cooked them for 2 whistles on high flame. I have chopped the onions and slit the green chillies. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a heated pan. Add mustard seeds. Once it splutters, let's add the cumin seeds. Put the flame on medium. Now let's add the red chillies and then the green chillies. Now add the onions. Saute them until they become transparent and soft. Add salt. Now it's time to add the tapioca. I have mashed the tapioca a little bit. It enhances the taste. Mix it well and then let's add the grated coconut. Again, give it a nice mix. Now let's cover and cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 5 minutes, our tapioca is all ready. Let's transfer it into a serving bowl. The flavorful Kappa puzhukku is ready. You can have it with spicy and tangy sardine curry. This is the best combination for Kappa puzhukku. So please try this recipe at home and give a thumbs up if you like it. Like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching Foodie Zest.